Hi everyone. You'll be surprised to know that in some countries, USDT has replaced traditional banking system. Stable coins like USDT aren't just an alternative cryptocurrency. They are quietly replacing traditional banking system, mostly in unstable economies. Let's take the country Argentina, for instance. Inflation here is at a staggering 80%. And many times in last year, inflation here crossed 200%. That means the currency of Argentina, that is peso, loses value faster than a melting ice cream cone on a summer afternoon. So people are always looking for ways to safeguard their money. And Tether USDT is filling that role. Businesses and consumers both have started using USDT for everyday transaction, buying groceries, paying bills, and even receiving salaries in USDT instead of peso. Many people in Argentina also convert their savings into USDT, treating it like a digital dollar that won't lose value overnight. Also in Turkey, merchants trading across borders use stable coins to sidestep currency fluctuation and ensure smoother, more predictable transactions. Now, what's the reason people trust them? The stable coins, particularly Tether, because it is one of the world's biggest holder of US government securities, giving it credibility and making it accessible to those who can't easily get US dollars. Here's the catch though. Despite its dominance over the years, Tether has been involved in controversies and even fined for not complying regulations. Unlike a bank deposit where regulators ensure your money is safe, stable coins operate in a gray area. While Tether claims it is fully backed by cash, bond and other reserves, regulators have often questioned how much of it is actually liquid and accessible. In 2021, for instance, the US Commodity Futures Trading Commission (CFTC) fined Tether $41 million for falsely claiming that every USDT was backed 1:1 by cash reserves. For years, Tether have been using a mix of assets, including commercial paper, short-term debt, which isn't risk-free, right? That's not all. Tether also found itself in some shady business used by criminals for illicit operation. Tether is pegged to the US dollar, making it stable. This makes it perfect substitute for people who can't access real dollar. Terrorist groups, drug cartels, they all love Tether. Another interesting fact, Tether started in the British Virgin Islands and then moved to El Salvador. This keeps it away from strict banking regulation. No one is watching it the way they are operating. And because it's a cryptocurrency, people can move millions in seconds without dealing with bank or paperwork. That's why for years, regulators have been trying to pin it down. Tether company even paid fines for misleading people about its reserve. But it kept growing, which is why regulators are worried. For now, undoubtedly, Tether remains the undisputed king of the stablecoins with over 80% market share. It's widely used, deeply integrated into crypto market, and is still trusted by millions. If you really like learning crypto, check out my other videos on the channel. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel where I really post some amazing free crypto tips. Bye bye. See you in the next video.